How to create Capital One bank account online. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari for now. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Capital One Bank Sign Up. Different sites will be available to you. Scroll down and head over to this site. It will land you on this official page of Capital One Bank. At the top right corner, you can see the option where it says Sign In. Click on it. It will redirect you to this page. Well, if you already have your account, enter your login credential and then sign in to your specific account. But if you are new to this and you want to create a new account, then click on Set up Online Access. It will lead you to this page. So all you want to do is enter your last name and then the social security number or ITIN. Well, if you don't have your social security number, then you can use your bank account number. Click on Use Bank Account Number instead. Well, enter your bank account details and then enter your date of birth. Once you have entered, click on Get Started and then follow the on-screen process. Then your account will be created successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create your Capital One bank account online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.